Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna talk about how to download images from Google which can be reused and which can be modified, and in which there would not be any applied of copyright. So these images can be used by everyone with no risk of copyright, with no risk. So first of all, you need to go to tools. You can see if they're like for you reused or for reuse and modification. So you need to click on reuse and modification, so it will display the images of reuse and modification, so you can reuse those images.